Hello, Kevin Stevenson here with PhasedLogix. You can find us at GetMeTheGeek.com. Today I'm bringing you another Windows 10 quick tip. We're going to learn about customizing the taskbar. Let's get started. Alright, here we go. So what we want to do is get rid of some of this extra fluff that's down here. First of all, in the newer builds of Windows, you have this people icon down here. And frankly, it's just completely useless. So let's get rid of it first. Right click, go up here to show people on taskbar, uncheck that, and you've just gained a little extra space. Now, down here is this big old fat search box, which really isn't necessary, and Cortana is being phased out, and the easiest way to do is to gain some more space that way. We're going to right click on the taskbar again, go up here to Cortana, and you can change it to one of two things. You can hide it, just the icon, so you got Cortana there, or, and this is my preference, just go in here and just hide it altogether. It doesn't prevent you from searching, because if you hit the search or the start bar and start typing, the search works the same, so you don't really need it there anyway. And that concludes our quick tip for the day. Thanks for joining us.